of Karnataka Civil Judge Exam, there are important current affairs questions you should be knowing for the upcoming exam. Very, very, very important questions is what we'll be dealing for today. I want all of you to spend time and properly learn on all the 20 questions I'm giving it to you because it's important, and I've also taken from respective kind of sources to everything like that. Like where not I've taken it, even those kind of answers I've not taken randomly from any particular place. Even the sources also information I've been providing over here. Please learn this important current affairs because current affairs is also part of your upcoming Karnataka Civil Judge Exam. First one is about who is the current Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court as of mid 2025. You'll be getting four options. So please do learn. It is Vibhu Bakru. It's actually Vibhu Bakru. Okay. Second question. Which majority of the collegium recommended Justice Vibhu Bakru as the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court? It is actually the Supreme Court Collegium. Very simple. Who select the judges of for example, Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court in general? It is actually the Supreme Court Collegium. Very simple. Third question. Which judge was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court earlier in 2024? It is actually P.S. Dinesh Kumar. Who is it? It is actually P.S. Dinesh Kumar. Who was the last Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court from 2021 to 2022? From the, you must know aspect the respective timeline who was the judges also, especially from 2022 2025. Important Chief Justice name, if you're knowing it, it will be really helpful for your exam. It is actually Rituraj Swasti. Okay, next. Which Karnataka High Court judge was recommended to be the first Chief Justice of Manipur High Court in 2025? Okay, it is K. Somashekar. K. Somashekar. He's considered to be what? He's considered to be the which Karnataka High Court judge was recommended to be the made the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court in 2025. So Karnataka High Court judge who became the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court is who? K. Somashekar. Now, which act is being discussed in current affairs for judicial reforms in India? So it is very simple. Note, this is a placeholder. You should update with the actual reform under the discussion at this time of the video release. So whichever is being updated, this is for you to do your homework and let me know. Okay. Now, seventh question. Now, as of 2025, which body is responsible for recommending appointment of high court judges? Who is responsible for recommending high court judges? It is actually the Supreme Court Collegium, not the president alone or state government or parliament. It is actually the Supreme Court Collegium, and they also hand it over to the president at lateral part. Now, which recent Supreme Court judgment changed or clarified law relating to the environmental clearance forest right PIL? This is your homework. I want all of you to do it and tell me in the chat box, in the comments. Important. Ninth question. Which state has recently adopted a bill to provide legal aid, free legal services expansion? Okay. Find one state in 2024 to 2025 which passed an expansion of legal aid and frame a question. So before I just frame this particular question, what I've tried to tell this particular thing to you is that, so which state has recently adopted a bill to provide legal aid? This one, and I want you to do your homework. If you are from respective states, even from other states, people are also writing this particular exam. So just know about this particular question. This question is taken from other civil judge exam, repeated question. That's why I've just taken this. Which judge currently serves as the judicial member of the Lokpal? Appointed in 2024, it is Rituraj Avasti. 11th question. Which one of the following is not among the components of Karnataka Judiciary Civil Judge Exam? It is the, what is a translation paper that you have, computer test for suitability, that is also they're trying to include it, and aptitude and reasoning paper, that is also they're trying to include few couple of things, which is no problem. But physical fitness, it's only for the defense aspect. They don't ask for judiciary. In the Karnataka Judiciary Exam paper, which paper includes general knowledge and current affairs? This is nothing very important for you to know, but just know that it's basically the paper two. They basically ask it. Why I'm giving this is because so that you know generally where they ask this particular question. Which of the following post is not as part of the Karnataka Judicial Service recruitment rules? That is what Chief Justice not recruited via normal judicial service exam. So Chief Justice is not selected through the judicial service exam which you're writing now. It is completely a different process. Which article of the Constitution gives the President power to appoint High Court judges in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor? It's Article 217. Okay, Article 217. In 2025, which major High Court in India launched a scheme to fast track certain type of cases, economic offenses and commercial disputes? So this is I want you to figure it out. This is your homework. Very important questions. So certain questions I'm giving your homework. Do it and let me know in the chat box. Now, which of the following is true about the security of tenure for High Court judges? It is actually the option B. they can be removed by presidential impeachment only. Which of the following is true about the security of tenure of high court judges? They can be removed by the presidential impeachment only. The procedure which is there for removing the president, that same impeachment procedure is basically been followed. Which of the following is the most recent state to adopt the uniform civil code in any form of law and policy discussion? This is very more speculative. So just read this. This is your homework and update me in the chat box. Now, which judge served as the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court and later became the chairperson of the law Commissioner of India? It is basically whom? It is actually the Rituraj Avasti. Rituraj Avasti. Okay, Rituraj Avasti. Next, 19th question. Which of the following is correct about Karnataka judiciary computer test components? It's called, okay, this I'll just putting it as an exceptional one. Why? Because just for you to know it, because I took it from de facto judiciary. They had this particular point on this particular basis. That's why I took it. Now, 20th question is about which public interest litigation concerning environmental protection or river conservation made news in Karnataka and recently. This is your homework. Just find out these things. So I hope today's video was really helpful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Let's catch up for the next video. If you require anything more for your upcoming exam, let me know in the chat box. Take care. Goodbye. This is me, Advocate Pawan, signing off. Thank you.